One more. Got him.
Now we're going to try on the high stakes. Now we should try our high stakes.
Alright, let's do this one. Alright, here we go.
We'll be there in a month. We'll be there in a month. It's like our second home, y'all.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Suitcase. Titty City.
Titty City.
Come on, baby. I need 3 of them. Let's go.
Vegas. Come on, Vegas. Come through.
Look at that. One more. One more. Hey, play it. I'm coming in. I'm getting it. Come on now. There we go. 3 more.
Come on, Chips.
Here we go. Suitcase. I ain't trying to stop it, but it's all good. I hate doing that. I really do. I don't know why. I hate doing it.
Like to let it roll itself out?
Yeah, I feel like the machine feel like you're playing with it. So it's like, oh, you want to play with me? Okay. Oh, 4 more.
Viva Las Vegas. Oh shit, I hope that's not copyright. Come on, Titty City!
4 more. All right, come on. 4 more.
Come on, Lightning Link.
There we go.
Nice.
Let's go. Bonus.
Finally.
I know, right?
So we have some bonus content for you guys, finally. Go ahead, baby, press the start feature.
All right, here we go.
Game 1 of 6.
Chip. You gotta scream out chip, baby. That's what make the chip drop. Chip.
Chip, chip, chip.
Oh.
Biggie.
Okay. Chip. Oh. I thought that was it. Chip. All right, cards. Come on, chip, 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 chip. Chip. There we go.
Nice.
Now let's fill these 3 up. And we got us a whole jackpot. Oh, let's go. Tap, 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 tap.
Re-triggers. Come on, let's go.
Tap. Come on, 3 more.
Let's go, baby.
3 more. Come on, 2 more. 2 more. 2 more.
Come on. Ah. We'll take it.
Gotta believe it. Let's go. Chip.
Chip. Minor.
250.
Woo.
Let's turn up. Come on, drop another one.
Re-trigger, re-trigger. Come on. Come on, baby. Bring him out. Bring him out.
That's decent though. Can't complain.
At all. Won't complain.
Oh no. Let's go. We got 23. Let's see what we got at the end. How much? 328. That's a good bonus.
Yeah, it is.
I told you Vegas wanted to pay us. I knew Vegas was screaming.
Because it misses us.
We going back. Oh!
And there we go again. Another bonus.
Let's go. You ready?
I'm ready, baby.
Let's get it. Come on. Chip. I mean, brung up the K because I'm the king. I'm just saying. Chip. I mean, I am a king, but I need the chips. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Come on, come on.
2 more spins. Let's go. Forgive my non-steady hand.
Chip. Ah.
Chip, 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 chip. Last spin. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Re-trigger. Jinx.
Re-trigger. Chip, come on, come on. Come on, drop it.
Chip.
I'm not mad. Again? Oh, I was about to say. There we go.
Back to
We
back.
hot. We rolling right now. Now we need the big bus to come. This right here. 1666. I'm with that.
I'm with it too.
Here we go, baby. We rolling hot. Chip. Oh, we need another.
No!
Let's
Yay!
get it. Oh yeah, we turned up tonight. Let's go. We turned up tonight. Again. Chip. Oh, let's go, Chip.
Yes! Babe, my hand is not steady.
I know you need to get it steady. Get it steady, because I'm about to hit this major.
Come on, let's go.
I'm about to hit this major. Oh, $12.50. I'll take that.
Oh,
I'll take that
$5.
too. Come on, I'll take that too.
Oh,
two
come
more.
on, fill them up, fill them up, fill them up.
2 more, let go. Come on.
Come on. Bring them out, baby.
That's a good hit. What this is? If I'm not mistaken, I think this is like $60-something. Let's see. Yeah, 35, 97. Oh, 126.
Nice.
Can't be mad. And we still got how many more? 4 more. Let's go. Chip. Oh.
Oh.
Chip. Oh, I take blue. Ah. I ain't mad. All right, come on.
Come on, baby, get them. Bring them out.
Chip, 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 chip. Chip. Ah. 516. Can't be mad. Let's go. You gonna get it again?
Yep.
Believe it, baby?
I believe it.
Oh.
Woo!
She called it.
You sure did.
She called it. Let's go. What color you want to see? Red, blue, or green?
I want to see the red. I see
Here we
red.
Here we go. Here we go.
Come on, baby, get it. Fill them up, fill them up.
Watch it.
Let's go. Come on.
Another one. Boom. Stop, man.
All right, y'all. $37.50. He's got a lucky hand tonight.
Because I got you, baby.
Aww. Miss Good Luck Charm.
Yes, you is. Come on. I like the suitcases. Bring them out again. Oh,
almost.
Suitcase.
Roulette.
Hit it, baby. Good luck.
Boo. One more time.
Come on, baby. There we go. Boom. Ah, here we go. Suitcase.
I let the bartender talk me into getting a drink that I do not like
Why you don't like it?
because it don't taste top shelf.
You don't?
Not at all.
3.
Drinking it though, even though I don't like it.
Well, I've been drinking too, so. Oh, one more.
Woo!
Come on. I've been drinking too, so you know what that means, right? We
What's
got
that
to catch an Uber home.
For sure, you gotta be responsible, guys.
We'll come back and get the car tomorrow.
There we will.
3. Ah, man, I mean. Come on, baby. Hit it, baby.
All right,
Here we go.
let's
Good
go.
charm. Come on, keep going. Keep going.
Come on, Vegas. Let's pay out.
There we go, baby. Oh!
Almost. Oh, it was almost there.
One more.
Okay. Oh, no.
Here we go. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how good luck my hand is. Right here. Here we go. Ah, close. Here we go. All right. One more. Go ahead, baby. 3 more. Ah!
Ah, man, come on.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Not bad. Come on. I'm finna go up. Here we go, right here. Ah, let's go play something different, baby.
Yeah, let's go play something different.
Where we at? $2?
Thank you, Lightning Bolt. We done got our money back and some for all the spins that we done gave tonight.
Ah.
Woo!